Would you believe me if I told you that I made these 3D design packages without using any complicated 3D software? And this, a product photo can generate social media graphics in various scenarios. In today's video, I will introduce two product design websites. For anyone who is currently operating e-commerce product sales or is a product designer, then using these two websites, you can also quickly design product packaging and promote product social media posts. The first website to recommend is packdora.com. Packdora is an online packaging design platform. Its tools allow you to edit, 3D preview, render product designs, and even connect directly with manufacturers to print the product packaging you need. According to a recent online survey, 64% of consumers worldwide make a purchase solely based on the product's packaging. This highlights the importance of presenting your brand's identity through packaging. As a result, enterprises are increasingly looking for personalized and customized packaging solutions. This is where Packdora's packaging design website comes in handy to assist you in creating the perfect packaging for your product. Packdora offers 3 different options for you to design based on the packaging of the product you need. If you are a professional designer or your company can hire designers, then you can directly use this template and die lines method to produce. Here they offer over 2,000 customizable packaging templates and die lines. These packaging mockups include a variety of product packaging in different sizes, such as folding boxes, bottles, bags, envelopes, etc. After we select a packaging template and click into it, we can see the die-cut design of this product's packaging here. The green lines belong to the bleed area. The bleed area refers to the convenient cutting part reserved for retaining effective content in printing. The actual cut is within the blue lines. Therefore, when making it, we divide it into design size and finished product size. Generally, the design size is always larger than the finished product size, and the excess edges are convenient for trimming after printing. The red line in the middle is the crease line, which also means the design version on the other side of the package. On the right-hand side, we can freely switch between different product packaging sizes. The following 4 file formats are available for downloading the die-cutting templates: PDF, AI Illustrator, DXF, and PNG. Designers can choose the format that best suits their needs to facilitate their design work. After your designer completes the design, we can go back to the account. Select the product package we just set up, click Design to enter Packdora's online editing tool. Under the design mode, we can directly upload the design draft and then adjust the size according to the cutting template on our own. Afterwards, we can see the real-time rendering design effect here next to it. After you are satisfied, you can click this button to export your product packaging drawing. You can choose to export mockup, die line, video, or generate HTML codes that can be directly placed into your website. However, to export these design templates, you must be a paying user to download them. Currently, their pricing package is $199 for a 1-year subscription, which averages out to $16.60 per month. Alternatively, if you don't want to commit to a year-long subscription, you can pay $29 per month. Regardless of which package you choose, you will have access to all features and unlimited downloads. If you don't have a professional designer to help you design product packaging, then you can also use their online editor to create design drawings. First, find a product packaging in the model design section. Packdora also provides over 2,000 model product designs in its design portfolio. After selecting one of the packaging designs, click Design with Online Creator on the right-hand side of the page here. After entering this design mode, select Elements. Here they provide some simple elements for us to design on our own, but the options are quite limited. Therefore, there may be some restrictions when creating a good-looking packaging design from here. So without the help of a designer, you want to design by yourself and save design costs, then I would suggest that you can use Canva to design your product packaging. Here we can find various packaging design templates. Once you have found a suitable design, you can then edit it and add your company's branding and product information. After downloading, we go back to doing the same thing as before. Simply upload your design and then edit and preview the rendered packaging design results. Packdora has a particularly impressive design feature: the ability to directly create 3D packaging scene rendering. Designers can build their own studio shooting scenes based on the industry of the packaging design, and achieve free placement of multiple models, improving the aesthetics and realism of packaging design renderings. Moreover, the rendering speed is stable, with images being produced in just 10 seconds. When we have selected the product packaging and entered the backend for editing, if we want to enter the 3D scene editor, we only need to click on 3D modeling and then directly click on this icon. After that, we can enter the 3D scene backend. Here we can start to adjust the dimension, size, and direction of movement of this product. The design box on the right-hand side, you can adjust the background color. Choose template light. Adjust brightness, angle, and height. On the left-hand side, we are allowed to add various shapes that can enhance different scene arrangements. Additionally, if you don't have many creative ideas, you can also choose from the preset product scenes. This way, you won't have to worry about how to set up these 3D scenes, and it's a very useful feature. Of course, you can also color the surrounding shapes to match your product's main color. Once done, we can click Super Render to prepare to render this 3D product image. Here you only need to choose the aspect ratio you want. For example, if you want to upload it to TikTok, you should choose 9:16. If it's going on a web page, then choose 16:9. Also, you can choose the video resolution. At present, it can render up to 4K resolution, which is the highest definition video resolution. After selecting, you can press Render Now. In this way, we complete a 3D product packaging scene rendering. If you have already completed the packaging design and now need to know how to create beautiful social media graphics that can make your product stand out and attract consumers to purchase it, then you should use this tool called Pebbly. It is a tool that can generate several beautiful creative product images with just one click. Afterwards, you can directly use them on Shopee, Amazon, TikTok, Xiaohongshu, or other social media platforms. It is an AI creative tool. You can also input a command, and it will generate several templates for you based on your prompts. Therefore, by relying on these product creative designs, you can apply them to different social media platforms and capture consumers' attention more effectively according to different occasions, providing a unique visual experience for the products. Currently, if you register for an account for the first time, you can receive 40 free creative images. As for their paid packages, there are two options. One is $19 per month and allows the generation of 1,000 creative images. The other is $39 per month and allows unlimited generation of creative images. Once logged in, we can take a look at their creative gallery. Here we can refer to their scene prompt in different industries. You can find out the products related to your industry, and then copy its prompt first. Click on Upload New in this page to upload the product first. During the product uploading process, its AI will automatically remove the background color of the product, which makes it easier for us to proceed with further operations. Click Save Product. The left side allows us to choose the theme style suitable for the product, with the theme of studio, outdoor, silk, cafe, etc. I choose the theme studio for the photo and then click on Generate to see its generated results. In less than 10 seconds, it generated 4 product pictures in different scenarios for us to choose. If you click to view individual photos, their size is now 1024. If you want to change the size, you must be a paid user and only can change the image size. If you are satisfied with this picture, you can click Download directly and then upload it to your social media account for promotion. Unfortunately, I had planned to use prompts to generate these scene diagrams, but when I entered the Customize section, I realized that this feature requires payment. Therefore, the free version does not allow the use of this function and I am unable to demonstrate it for everyone. However, this AI tools can indeed assist you in creating social media product images at a faster pace. With the two tools mentioned above, you no longer need to purchase or download multiple design software. You can simply create and edit online to complete your product packaging and social media graphics. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.